Video is about the processes explaining the preparations of RFID cards, namely style, processes or operation, and employee card. We have Synthase as our ERP system in this case. So let's start. Firstly, we need to log in into the ERP system, wherein you see the major sections of definitions, transactions, and reports. In this video, we will try to understand definitions and transactions part. We will look into processes cards, order entry, and employee card entry and the respective sequence. Let's log in into the process cards. As you can see, a window appears wherein we need to add processes as per our operation bulletin for our new style. Let us add a new process. We'll see a demo for that part. We need to start by entering the code of the processes first and then operations name. Now we'll connect the RFID reader to our system and generate proxy number for those process cards. Here we need to make sure that we add all the processes along with their SMB. Once we are done with these entries, we'll press F5 to save the card. Our new process card is ready to be used. Similarly, we will generate a few more process cards. We'll have the similar entries for these processes cards in the name sections of code, operations name, and again a unique proxy number through the RFID reader. We'll also add calculated entry in the SMB section. Finally, we'll save these entries. These cards are now ready to be used for that style. Now we will move on to the order entry part. We will log in the order form. Here we need to make entries of order number, customer, delivery date for that order, quantity, color and sizes respectively. The last order entry in this case is of New Yorker. The entry was done on 29th Feb 2020. The style number is 834907 and the order quantity for that style is of 4000 pieces. So now we will generate the style cards. Here the entries will be done in order number, style number, color size, bundle description, and all the descriptions shall be filled respectively again. Quality you need to select is valid type. Once all these entries are done, in explanation we'll utilize the RFID reader once again. Then we need to press F5. The style card is now ready to be used. Finally, we will move on to our last process, that is the employee card generation. As we log into the employee cards, a similar window appears. In this case, we need to add an employee to the ERP system. We can easily add and alter the employee cards as per our needs. We already have the entries, but I shall alter an employee card in this case. The steps are almost same for the new card entries. Fatima is now changed to Aklima in this case, that is GT1696. We can see the final entry. The list displays Aklima. Her card is now ready to be utilized for the next style.